Okay, now get into the room. The new link sent into the chat box right now, and please get yourself into the room. We're gonna get started in 5 minutes time. While we are starting, right, double check that if your internet is all good. Okay, your latency is good. And now the market that we are trading is gold. And for those that are just coming back, right? For those that are just coming back, we have a new room, right? New room, right? Get into the new room first, and view a thread from the new room. Before I begin, right, is there any question that you guys would like to ask related to the thing that you have learned in day 1, day 2, or day 3? I can type in the chat box. Okay, no question, yeah. And I believe that majority of you guys have already coming back. Now, what I would like you guys to see is that what is the month right now? Okay, what is the month right now? You can look from the bottom here. The month is August. All right, 30th of August. If you look into the seasonal chart, August is here. And then followed by September, October, November, December, and January. Now, based on this, what would be the best trading decisions later? What will be the best trading decision later? Buy or sell? For beginner, you can take a reference of this. Now, the market that we are trading is a category of CFD. It's unlike stocks. You no need to buy first to sell later. You can sell directly. Sell, it is sort of like you're betting the market goes down, and then you buy back later. Okay, you can sell first one. And later, I can enable you guys to do trading. You can see the board, see the RSI. Okay, and then you can also see that your account statistic. Yeah. Capital wrong already, bro. Okay, let me quickly fix this. All right, and I'm gonna start a new room with a correct capital. Cannot. I say 100,000, need to give you guys 100,000 one. Okay, I know you guys are very excited, but I gotta give you 100,000. Okay, please on video.
That monetizes. You know, I'm not shameful of money. I want money. I want a lot of money. I want to give money away. I want to raise a lot of money. You can't do that if you're broke.
One thing in common, you know, they knew they had it in themselves.
To award you guys for the passion of waiting, I would like to award you guys by 100,000 trading simulations. And also at the same time, I rethink again, would you guys want like to buy more or buy less? You guys want to enter more trade or less trade? More trade or less trade? Hannah? Okay. So I think that I will give you guys this number. Later in the simulations, I will be giving you guys a new set of setup. And this setup is going to be evolving around gold market. Basically, you are having a capital of 100,000. Phil, what does it mean by money? Your profit target is 2%. And your buy and sell trade is equal to 10. You can buy 10 or you can sell 10 times. It's small right now. Bigger capital, I give you bigger trades. But aware, this is double-edged sword. The more you open, the more you're going to be drawn down as well. Okay? And the lot size is going to be 0.1 lot for 100,000 account. Much bigger than the trade that you opened yesterday. The market is gold. So these are all the information I given to you guys. Later, the market is going to be start around August. Right? Great. Thank you so much for joining in so fast. Let me get it in as well. Okay, so we got around 140 people in the room. So if you are just want to listen, you also just might as well just join as well. Alright, doesn't matter one. So are you guys ready? Okay, finally, if you are ready, time in ready. We're gonna get started in a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simulations start. Simulation start. Now for this round, I don't give you guys the tips to enter the trade already, but I will be more focused on the trading account that is in losses. I would like to help out those that beginner. If you guys still don't know how to trade right, you can type me in the chat box or you can type a problem that you're facing. So this simulation, I will look through your trades, guiding you how to trade. Okay. Remember, this round the game is different. You are having 100,000 in the account. Hello, Vera. Hello, Vera. I think I unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. If you have a camera, alright, please open up the camera. Because I would like to see where is your account. Arun Naslan. Vera Arun Naslan. I can't see your name. Let's see the top performers in the room right now. Okay, Michael, $1,006 profit. Almost there. Jualang, 1,004. Nick, 1,004 as well. Alright, Kung Fu, 565. Wow, Michael, the top performers have 6 buying trade right now. What do you guys think? Jualang said that it's time to sell. Jualang got 6 selling. Michael got 6 buying. Who win, who lose? We fight. Hey, Jualang missing. Jualang cut loss. Okay, for the first time, price crossed above moving average, but then it's a good news that just dropped off from the RSI. The price just dropped off from RSI. Based on the study that we did earlier, what would be the best action to try later? Market spikes, market spikes. Urgent, urgent. What action to take? Well, very sad thing your chart is not moving, can have a refresh. Whoa, price drop all the way to 36. ECV, how are you doing? Did you need any help? You have 4 buying trades. So the problem over here is that you have 2 aggressive buying trades. So you may consider to close the trade. Yeah, anytime close your buy trades for TCV. For those that the chart is not moving right, you guys can refresh the chart. Right, refresh the page, refresh the website. Alright, we are having Nick successfully break through $4,500 profit. David at the top as well. Unique $2,000 profit. Okay, so quite a number of you guys are partially in 2,000. So when the system flag that majority of you guys has been reached to 2,000, we will end the sessions anytime. Factor that whenever your continue goes higher or not. So especially when you see this kind of market, right? Okay, have a big crash, this will change the market structures, meaning that the initial trend is uptrend, right? Because of this kind of crash, then it will change it. For now, I will close all my trade because I reached to my target of 2% already. Okay, I successfully reached to my target, so I close everything first. Then I think that that's for the end of my own trading. But you see, what happened earlier stage is that when the market that you're trading, right, initially yes, it is a bit of uptrend, okay, but because of every single time when this kind of big candlestick come in, right, this ranging area will determine that it will back up to ranging or come down. If it come down, immediately after here onward, should stop already. Okay, it dropped even further. So, why? What month is this? What month is this? Okay, market back to RSI 30. My RSI back to RSI 30. What do you guys think? Close to a moving average or far from moving average? Now, every single time, yes, we do know that we can expect some pullback. What if that it dropped even further? Did you have more bullets or not? How did you distribute out your bullets? You have 10 bullets on it. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can still enter. Alright, yeah. Even it dropped for 2 more times, you can still enter the trades. Okay, market have a pullback. Pullback to 50. What do you guys think? Opportunity or traps? Now we're going to, let me see. So we're gonna end the simulations in 2-minute time. Alright, we just put it 1 more minute. Okay, majority of you guys have already achieved the target. Let's do it 1 more minute time. Recover. This is a chance for you to recover. That just almost reaching to the profit target. Upside or downside? How to look at it? Now, one of the tips is look into the action of the candlestick. Look into the speed of the candlestick. Robot just executed a buy trade. Can you see this? A green arrows showing upside. Robot just executed a buy trade. And then the robot just executed a second buy trade. Robot is also doing dollar cost average. And it dropped even further. Then have a spike. opportunity or traps? Would it go down further or no? Now the robot have just closed their buy trade earlier. Robot have just closed their buy trade earlier. It means that market seems like would like to go more toward downside at the moment. Okay. Now for those that almost reach to your profit target, almost reach, I give you guys a few more minutes to reach it. Again, market basically, I understand that it's very slow right now. 2K, yes, $2,000 target. Right, market just make a quick drop. You can see our market is slowing down. It is definitely slowing down. Shireen, come on. Hey, Shireen, 2,000 plus profit haven't closed. That's why lah. Congratulations, Shireen. 3,000 plus profit. So Shireen, in fact, I can earn more by closing a buy trade, but it's a bit too late. If your account don't have any buy trade, right, you can earn more than that. Wait, ping it here at the bottom. What happened to you? Countdown for last 1 more minute. Countdown for the last 30 seconds. Now the market is nearly slowed down, much slower than earlier phase. Now look at how I look at the chart. Now my chart is always like this one. It's always more neat and look for the whole pictures. Countdown for last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How do you guys feel for this round? How do you guys feel for this round? In the real trading, the candle move that fast? No, it's not that fast. It's in fact much slower. The reason why we put it up the speed is assume that you are busy, you cannot stay in front of the screen. Just left and right, left and right. Hey, the price move already. Okay, it's just a practice where to enter the trade. This is my first time try it. Oh, okay, interesting. Achieve my target in just one time. Congratulations. Now, what we're going to do right now is we would like, of course, share your result into the Telegram first. And I would like to open up for discussion. Okay, had to use small phone to look at the chart. Need to use a computer lah next time. Okay, now trading internet also part of the thing. No, need to be make sure that you have a good internet to trade the best experience. Now, what we're gonna do right now is we would like to enter into a breakout room. Okay, I would like to put you guys into 3 rooms. And let me see that if I can do the breakout room or not. Okay, can. Okay, I will open up for 3 breakout room, and you guys will be assigned into a room automatically. And when you go into a room, we do a group discussions. Okay, I will be one of the room, and another 2 room will be my team. But never mind, we are not the main character. You guys are the main character. You guys have experienced the entire trading journey, discuss together among your students, and share out your result into the charts. Okay, so that other people can see your result and they say, hey, why you are so profiting? I need you to share 3 things. Number 1, what is the strategy that you've been using in the simulation just now? Okay, your strategy. Second, what is the thing that you're doing good or bad in the simulations? And number 3, what would you advise other beginner traders that would like to achieve a result? Or if it's not advice, what would you be advising yourself? Let's say that if you're in losses. Okay, what would you say about it? What would you comment about your trades? How would you improve it further? Is there anything that you can do to make your trade better? Or if you see anyone that is super performing in your group, right? Then you'll be poke him a bit. Hey, why you do? How you do? Explain a bit. All right. Get and ask more and more from their side. So with that said, we will enter into the breakout room and we're gonna see you guys in 10 minutes time. So let me see. I will let you guys into a breakout room, and the breakout room is 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everyone will come back to the room, and then we will have a group discussion over here. All right. Oh, before that, is there anyone would like me to pick you up to give a comment first, right? So that you guys can understand that roughly later what you're going to say, right? Is there anyone would like me to pick you up for a comment? I can type a me into a chat box. Susanna. All right. So Susanna, can you unmute yourself? Nurul Shafika.
Yes, Ethan. Can you
Hello,
hear me?
Susanna. Yes, can hear you. Did you have camera?
No, I don't have camera.
Okay. So Susanna, where are you? Your name is the same, right?
Yes. Oh, it's probably using the 760220.
76022. The numbers. This one?
Yeah. I cannot see your screen. Sorry.
Okay. So this is your trades.
Yeah. Okay.
Purely on sell
Yeah.
and how you make losses. in a downtrend?
I'm not sure how. I'm just waiting for it to, I don't know, recover, I suppose.
Recover what?
Recover the reversal when it goes up.
If you don't do anything, you already in profit kan?
If I don't do anything, meaning?
Like you sell here, you sell here, you sell here. You don't do anything. When you reach to here, you already in profit. Or even just here lah,
I see.
correct?
Okay.
Because as long as you're selling, the price go below here, you are in profit.
I see.
So the thing is that likely that you will be in nervous mode.
Okay.
Okay. Is there any specific strategy that you're doing here?
I'm also looking at the RSI. So basically, when it's on top, then I put a sell entry.
On top.
Uh-huh. I start
This
a
one
sell
is not
entry.
top. This one is at bottom more.
Okay.
This one is at
Because
bottom more.
I suppose I was trying to chip in when I see it going down further.
I mean, exactly, you have never entered the chat at bottom more.
Okay, I see.
Nah,
So, so what you're saying, when it goes up, I enter when the price is at the top and it's above the MA, I sell, is it?
no, it's not about your strategy. It is all about, are you clear with your enter method or not? Because you just now mentioned that you enter with RSI, but the truth is that you are not exactly entering at RSI.
Okay.
Like, if you exactly enter at RSI, where it will be entered? It will be here, it will be here, here,
Okay.
and among the way there's no chance to enter and here. So you see, this is what the place that you're going to enter the trade around here. And then when it come down, easy profit. But then if the way that you enter the trade, if you notice, is you are focusing more on moving average. Like more specifically this yellow line, correct? You only enter the trade below it. Now, the thing is that when most of the case you do this is fine, but the trades action need to be very, very less, meaning that you see you enter 95 trades. Suppose you should only enter like 3 to 4 or 5 trades on this kind of same price. So it's like you enter 1, 2, 3, then nothing really, just wait. When you are profit, you can close one time, close sell for one time, go down, close sell from the second time, and let it continue.
I
So
see.
you let the market flow, that is where you really generate the profit. If you in out, this is where you keep on losing. It's good that you only lose $200, but overall your decision, your entry is correct. Just that you exit too fast.
I see.
Get it?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Susanna.
Thank you, Isan.
Now I would like to get the second one, which is Nuru Shafika. Did you have mic? Nuru Shafika, are you in the room? Shafika, are you in the room? Yes, no? If no, I'm gonna pass on to the next one. 3, 2, 1. All right, so the next one is Vera. Vera, are you in the room? Vera Simon. Right,
Hello.
hello.
I'm using my wife's account actually. My name is Shanker.
So what is your name?
Shanker.
Can you spell for me?
Can. Hold on.
Shanker.
Yeah, hold on. I spell here. Okay, here you are.
Shanker. I think I typed correct, but I don't see the name.
I'm using her account, so only will appear her name, Vera Simon.
So this name is what? It's called Shanker?
Shanker is my name lah. But
no, I mean the name in this simulation.
Vera Simon.
Okay.
I'm on Vera Simon account.
But I don't find Vera Simon.
Jocelyn Vera Simon? Vera Simon go, I think.
Jocelyn don't have.
Vera Simon? Today I put in both also is Vera Simon.
Vera don't have. Simon also don't have.
How come? Huh?
I can search, no problem.
All right. VERA. Vietnam.
VERA. Jocelyn Vera Simon.
Correct.
Okay, so how you do? What is your strategy?
This one. But to this one, okay. What happened was I was going for downtrend, but there's one big drop here. That's where I start to lose then up and down.
So what is your strategy?
I was going for downtrend actually.
Okay, you're waiting for downtrend. So did you manage to catch the downtrend?
No, it supposed to be like fluctuates up and down.
Now the problem is you are not firm enough on downtrend.
Yeah, correct.
Like you enter this trade, right? You exit here. It is good to exit here, but then if you look into your drawdown, right? Your drawdown is just about 0.1%, correct? You're just losing about $100+ over here.
Yeah, correct.
There's nothing much for you to afraid about it. And even you got a portion of profit here, a portion of profit here. Not sure that you are profit or not, but you do it or not do it, essentially you have the same problem. You exit too fast. Finish already. Finish already. If this trade, right, you hold until here also, you can be even more profitable.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You are waiting for trend, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Definition of trend is how long? This is not a trend.
So I think I'll be losing more money. That's the thing. I did it fast close actually.
So the question is that your fast close make you more profit or not?
No, actually.
So that's why you have to do it differently, lor.
Okay.
If you're still doing the same method, right, it will always end up the same result. Anyway, your account is huge. You have huge amount of bullets to sustain the drawdown.
Yeah, correct. But I try to maintain try not to lose actually.
This is the mindset. Thank you so much for bringing up. This is a mindset as a beginner. If you have a mindset not to lose, you are surely lose.
Okay. Okay. And
it's
then
a psychology problem.
Idea how to set the robot.
Okay. Now it's a psychology problem whereby I already teach you how to set in a way that I just tell you to set to sell only, right? Seasonal to sell only.
Yeah, correct.
But you're still doing buy, ma.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The more you're afraid to lose, the more you are focusing to prevent losses. Then you will be blinded with profit side. You always like, profit a bit zhao. You will be so afraid of taking more profit. By taking more profit, you need to take more risk at the same time.
All right.
So like this kind of situation, you sell, take here, sell, take here, sell, take here. Essentially, you make one big sell here, come all the way to here. Not need to be so bottom, just halfway important. You already like break even. Just now I remember, right, this particular trade, myself also like profit like $1,000+.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so if you want to take more profit, just do it. Just let it flow through the process. Your account is huge. That's why you can sustain for this kind of drawdown. When you have big account, do differently compared to small account.
Okay. I got it.
All right.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Vera.
Thank you,
Or
sir.
Anchor.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so that is how we're going to do the discussion. Basically, how do you feel when you are trading with huge capital, like a huge $100,000? Does it make your trading better, or what? Make yourself more confident. More relaxed to trade, takes fear out of margin call. Nick say greedy. Nick, your target is 20% more. You only give me 3%, 4%. Cannot wait, Nick. More daring to hold longer. Not our money, relax. Last year gold surge between September and December, but seasonal seems to be saying sell. Yes. I mean, you guys are trading September also, correct? It is coming down. Definitely make us more comfortable because the room of the market to breathe is with a bigger capital. Correct. Definitely. So let's come to a bit of summary over here. Perhaps I believe that quite a number of you guys realize that one big problem. If you want to be confident, you want to be consistent in the trading, you want to be confident, consistent to hold the trade longer to make more profit, you know you need to have more money. But the problem is that when we get started, we don't have that much of money. And that's why you would like to do trading, come into the workshop, hopefully to find a solution to help you to trade with the least amount of capital, but still can mimic what's been done in a bigger capital. Am I correct or not? Type a yes into the chat box. You guys are looking for not a skill, actually. You guys are looking for money, right? In fact, how many of you guys actually realize that you did somewhat have a skill to be profit already? Essentially, you already find that this is the boundary, this is you. As long as you one step forward, just a little bit more hard work, you yourself also can be profitable. Just that from here to here is about money. When you have big capital, like other people said, you are not going to be stressed anymore. Okay? So that's why I would like to bring out here. Okay, so for the form just now, right? Okay, for the form just now, if you cannot be submit, copy the message first into a Word document. Later we will double check the form. What is the problem with that? Okay, we will double check on that first. If capital 1000 need to grow to how big to withdraw the capital? Yeah, true. Last month I tested live $100 just to get a feel, but could not get it to control drawdown, correct? So that's why you need to have big capital to do it, right? So the next topic that I would like to teach you guys is how to get a trading account at least the capital that you needed, all right? So that you can start trading at the lowest capital, but still can get the same effect. Now, of course, when you do trading, right? Why you want to do trading? Everyone said that I would like to get financial freedom, but which type of financial freedom? Would you like to have cash flow or you would like to have capital gain? Which one would you like to go? Now, the topic later is going to be extend a little bit longer. So would it be okay that I extend further? Okay, likely that I can forecast already about 12. All right, is it okay that I can proceed? Right, if okay, then type okay. Okay, can because I would like to teach you guys a strategy how to be profitable to get 100,000 account at a minimum of $0 capital. Okay. And this thing, say it on night time, make you guys feel more exciting one. Now, what you guys are seeing, right? This Excel sheet. Just now I asked you guys, which type of financial freedom that you guys are aiming for. You would like to have cash flow or you would like to have capital gain. If you aim for cash flow, that means that you would like to have pocket money, trading money goes to your pocket for living expenses, for passive salary. For financial freedom, you need to have at least 2 times more income to cover your living expenses and still can save in the bank account. But if you choose for 2, capital gain is what David said. From 1K to 100K, how? I don't know. But then is that you want to have big enough of cash with buying car, all right? You would like to have cash to okay. Now, big amount of cash for emergency fund, for education fund, and a way unlimited cash to spend. Okay. Now, put it into simple words. You are going to retire at year of 40s. You got about 75 years to go. 75 years lifespan, and from 40 to 75 years old, you are having 35 years to spend. 35 years and 12 months of expenses. You need to have at least 420 months of expenses in order to be survive for the trading. Okay, survive until you retire, until you fully retire as a human. So both 1 and 2, and I can see that from the chat box just now, majority of you guys type 1. I know that you guys want to have both. Terry, tell me cash flow first. Okay, since majority of you guys are the age of 40, average age of you guys are 40, let's have a calculations. What is the income range of a 40 years old people work in a KL regions, Penang, Johor, those kind of big city? What will be the income be like for people at the age of 40? Type in the chat box, let me know. Reasonable income for 40 years old people. Oh, right now still got 5K meh? 10K, 5K. Come, type in, alright? We need to have a bit of discussion. Type in. Penang ma 5K. Okay, Penang 5K. That 8K. Okay, Elson 15K. Minimum 8K. Okay, minimum 8K. Expenses for age of 40 years old. I had no income at full 40. 3.5K. Okay, at 40 years old, you have what? You have car. You have probably children's. You have a life partner. All right, 3,000. Okay, 3,000. That means that you have a quite a good healthier income and expenses. At the age of 40, in your bank account, how much is the capital that you are safe and ready for trading? Okay, safe and ready for trading, that you can fully leverage and not worry about losing it one. Roughly how much? 40K? 5K only, cannot lah, 40 years old already. Huh, 1K, safe and ready for invest one. 1K is like, your salary is 8K, your expenses is 3K, minus out, you also get 5K expenses, 5K extra, right? So I take around 15K, 100K. 100K, no need trading already. 25K from my EPF. Take from EPF, okay. EPF cannot. EPF is life expenses. Expenses more than saving. Okay, let's just put it like this. Now, you have a income of 8,000. You have expenses, and then your capital to invest is 15,000 ringgit. Okay, all in ringgit. And then your passive income to fully retire is 6,000, meaning that you got the threat every single month to profit 6,000 ringgit to cover your living expenses while you have extra money to save. Meaning that you're going to invest 15,000 to earn 6,000 every single month. Your ROI per month is 40%. Meaning this is the amount that you invested. This is the ROI that you want per month. Every single month, you aim for 40% outright. Yearly outright, 480%. Let's look at what is available in the market. You want a cash flow, right? Fixed deposit, lowest risk right now about 4%. Okay, all in ringgit. 4% in fixed deposit. Property, you will be lucky you can make 3% ROI in a year. ETF and mutual fund, average 4%. Government bond, you will be genius to make 6% from government bond. You buy the best stocks market, you get the dividend. Okay, a dividend as a cash flow, 12% yearly ROI. Warren Buffett, the best stock investor in the world, 30% average ROI. What you want? 480% ROI in a year. Congratulations, genius. Of course cannot lah. Crazy way. 480%. This is like how many times of Warren Buffett skill? Of course, this is not reasonable. That's why the path of trading to get cash flow of that target of $2,000 per month with the capital that you are having right now is not possible. Then we go for capital gain first. At the age of 40, you have all these things, right? Then at a monthly basic, you have extra 5,000. This is the amount of money that you got to save in your bank account so that you can retire without need to think anymore. 1.26 million. Reasonable, right? Save money 1.26 million in the bank account, spend bit by bit every single year until you retire, until you pass away. You need 21 years to save for you to retire. Ta-da. Too long, alright? You cannot trade every single month, save the 25 year to retire also. So that's why we have to leverage on the thing. We call it as a prop firm. Now, what is prop firm? Let's assume that right now there's a company, okay? And this company, the name is called as FTMO. Now, FTMO, this company have a contract. And this contract is like this. Based on your account, right? You give me $100. Okay, you pass on me $100, 100 USD, and there's a requirement to it. You give me $100 when I will give you a $10,000 demo account first. Okay, I repeat again. You pay me $100, I give you 10,000 USD demo account. And when you have passed, meaning when you have proven to me that first month you can generate 10% ROI, second month you can generate 5% ROI under a condition that between a 5% drawdown and a 10% maximum account drawdown, then I will award you by $10,000 real life, real money account. So literally, you use $100 to get $10,000 by fulfill the requirement in between. 10% per month ROI, 5% for the second month ROI. Within 1 day, cannot lose more than 5%. And maximum, you cannot lose more than 10%. Okay, that is a condition of it. So my question is that, now, dear traders, everyone in the room, if you are given $10,000 live account, what is the minimum ROI that you can trade at no stress at all? At no stress at all. Totally zero stress. The easiest, no-brainer, easy ROI. What is the lowest ROI that you can trade to be the profit? All right, type in the chat box. 2%, 1%, 2%, 2%. Okay? Most of you guys is 2%. So I put 2% here. So 2% of 100,000, 10,000 account is $200. Okay, and convert back to ringgit is about 880 ringgit. Now, until here, so far, is it all clear? Alright, it's clear, then type a clear in the chat box. Right, or type a C. Right, type a C in the chat box. Now, over here, we see this pattern, right? This is one account, and this is the total capital that you are having. And what we are going to do right now is that $15,000, 15,000 ringgit, we convert it into USD. Okay, 100% convert $15,000 to become USD. So with a conversion rate right now 4.4 is about $3,400. That also translated that this contract itself, right? This is one contract, ma. This contract itself, you can duplicate by 34 times. Correct? This contract can duplicate by 34 times. In a way, you give FTMO $3,400. Okay, give them all of this amount. They will give you $340,000 USD. And then this is profit per account, correct? Per single account. You got 34,000. 2% of 340,000 is how much? Convert back to ringgit is about 30 ringgit. You take this times 34 is this amount. Correct? You take 34 times this is equal to this, roughly that. Now, we continue forward. Right now, you invested 15,000 ringgit at the start. Every single month, you profit 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. At the end, congratulations. You have capital gain 345,000 by the end of the year. That is just 1 year. 1 year, alright. Now, what are you going to do? You're back to cash flow. You have 350,000, right? What you can do? You take this money, invest into fixed deposit by doing nothing. You have 11,000 plus as a cash flow. If you think that cash flow, I think that KFD is not good. I would like to buy property. Can you buy a property? You can collect rental. In the end, you don't want to collect rental. You can still stay inside. Fine. Or you want to buy mutual fund, also fine. All right. And you want to buy for bank stock market as well, also fine. All right. Just buy the stock market, buy and hold for the lifetime, and just go ahead. All right. Buy and hold for a lifetime, just go ahead. Market up or down doesn't matter already. You just put it there. Literally, these are the real passive income that you guys are looking at. Correct? It's exactly, you don't need to do anything. It's the lowest risk possible in the market. And you can literally sleep, money still go to you. Correct or not? Trading, to be honest, like guys, trading is a passive income or active income? Honestly, trading is a active income. Correct? You can never be profit. I am doing trading. Trade. Come. Please click. I don't want to click. You can't make any profit. You have to be there to trade, right? So that's why trading is an active income. But then you want to from active go to passive. These are the only option in the market. But now when we have no one structures, 1 year 15,000 all the way to 345,000, what you can do is that repeat the process. LHDN come in, pay tax saja. All right, just declare, pay it. Okay, 1 year you accumulate this much, 2 years you accumulate this much, 3 years you got 1 million. 1 million in a bank account, enough or not? Just need 3 years. From 15,000 to become 1 million in 3 years time. More than enough. And then can you retire or not? Wow, what happened to you guys? Can retire and shed leg. Semi-retire. Maybe semi-retire also correct. This entire flow you can continue to do. Sort of. Maybe not enough lah. 4, 5, 6. Hey, by the way, this time is this thing itself is a bit slow already. I not even consider the compounding effect of it. Okay, I not even consider compounding, just plus together. Passive in small and active in long run. So what I'm showing you guys is that now this is the prop firm itself. Okay, with a prop firm idea, of course you want to directly go for cash flow is impossible. You want to trade for a living. Nah, to be honest lah, seriously, how many of you guys have been achieving that? In the simulation, you already failed. Alright, you want to reach to $2,000 profit every month. Honestly speaking, with your current capital, you can't do it also. You want a capital gain from 15,000 ringgit. Okay, by doing trading from here all the way to here, is it possible or not? Possible. Super difficult. Almost every single month, you have to double the profit. Correct? So I stop it here for a while. Okay, I probably think that some of you guys don't know what I'm saying already. Okay, you guys can put it in the questions into the chat box. All right, or you guys are still thinking. Let me know what I think that you guys don't know, lo. All right, type in the chat box what is the thing that you lost. Okay, so let me see. The requirement is the problem is that does FDMO can use E8? Can. Retire twice? Oh, I think it's fine, right? So okay, let me continue first, right? Let me continue. Okay, now this Excel is only to demonstrate because there are other tab is involving some sensitive data. So those that VIP you guys can actually see lah. All right. Now what is prop firm? Prop firm is a company that provides the funding to do trading. They are profiting in line with you. So the target is that you put a deposit. Okay, you put a deposit of $100. Prove that you can achieve this requirement. As long as you can achieve this requirement, they're going to give you the money to do trading, $10,000 to trade. I'm still somehow confused in determining the best capital to allocate, what account leverage to use, what is the best idea. Okay, so for this kind of Robson, by knowing this thing, right, you are not going to trade with your own money anymore. I repeat again, you are not going to trade with your own money anymore. You got to leverage with prop firm, a company to trade. Okay, use a company money to trade so that it leverage on your return, and then only all this return will be possible. That's when the robot ChatGPT come in to help us pass the problem. Too good to be true. So we are confused. Okay, too good to be true, right? Okay, let me challenge. Now, guys, what are the number that you think too good to be true? I edit for you guys. Tell me, what are the number that you think need to be lower down? Okay, M lower. 1% per month, can or not? 1% per month. I just need to earn $100. Yes or no? Pretty yes, right? Okay, what are the number that need to be lower? Okay, some of you guys said that I don't have 15,000. Understand? I give yourself 10,000, can or not? Everyone should have a 10,000 in that's ready to invest, ma. Correct? 10,000. Every single month earn 10,000. 1 year you still have 100,000. Is it a good start or not? Yes or no? Yes, right. Isn't I really don't have 10,000. Okay. It does have a profit sharing, right? It does have a profit sharing. The profit sharing is okay. The profit sharing is actually 90-10. Alright, 90-10, 9-1. You are the one that get 90%. So we add in 90%. You still got 100,000. Fine. Okay. What is the passing rate? Now to let you guys know, the passing rate market standard is about 50%. Meaning that the account that you go in, not 100% pass one. We assume 50-50. So 50% pass based on the requirement, right? Only 50% of the account achieve a requirement. Another 50 don't achieve. So how much are you going to get? Still got 44,000. You invest 10,000 and in the end you get 44,000. Okay, according to statistics, only 4 to 5% pass the challenge. So any of you here can pass. You can consider yourself as a top 5% trader. I will say that our rate, right, is much higher than 50%, which later I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, but let's say that okay, can we compound the total capital with monthly profit? Yes, you can compound. For here, I just want to be lower down. Okay, you guys say that 2% profit is too hard. 1%, not even compound. Whatever your profit withdraw, I don't want to compound. Minimum, you got 44,000. Ethan, I don't have 10,000 in the bank account. My credit card only got 4,000 credit limit. Okay, 4,000 credit limit. Fine. Let me adjust for you. 4,000 credit limit equal to how many dollar? Like this. In the end, you got a cash flow of 1,008. Okay, how often? Every month you withdraw. I assume that no compounding. Every month you withdraw. You still got 1,007. But you guys think a bit lah. Every single month, all right? Every single month you are profiting 1,008, correct? Can you take this money, go in back to here, recycle back, get a bigger account? Can, right? You have more profit already. You go in to get bigger capital. When you have bigger capital, 2% of bigger capital is how much? Back to here. You can roll your profit over the time. Can you do a little bit more hard work to get higher ROI? Of course can, right? Use the profit and reinvest. Now, before that, right now, how many of you would like to know how to literally start from zero capital? Right, type in a me into the chat box. You literally start from zero, still can end up with a result. The answer to here is, how many of you heard of broker free credit account? Type in haha into the chat box. Broker free credit account, type in haha in the chat box. Okay, for those that don't know what is broker free credit account, it is something like this. As a broker, they will do marketing as well. Okay, then the marketing is like this. Now, come on, little boy. Okay, I give you the money to trade. Okay, as long as you deposit money to us, I top up a bit more for you. Like, yeah. So you top up $100, you have additional $100. So total your account is $200. So how did you get $100? Dad, can I borrow a bit money? I would like to do business. I'm going to refund you 1 month later. Okay. But this, okay lah, give to you lah. Okay. Then it have a certain requirement. You have to trade a certain amount of trades, trade a certain amount of lot size. After you hit it, only you can withdraw. Okay. You study all these things up to down. Okay, that is their requirement, right? Okay. Now you go to practice first. Using the scalping robot, trade. Using a swing robot, learn. Simulation, in out. Okay. Skill there already. Now I go in. That borrow money, pump in. $100 profit. Okay. From $100, make $200 is easier because small capital ma. Alright, $100 to $200. We call it as nearly a full margin trading. Okay, what does it mean? It means that just go all out lah. $100 cannot lose meh? Borrow got already ma, right? I mean, your father don't borrow from mother lor. Mother don't borrow from brother, sister lor. $100 only ma, right? Okay, profit. But then you go in, literally have prepared the skill. Go in, trade. Okay, reach target, withdraw. Hey, thank you so much. This is money for you. But then this free credit account is only for newcomer. How leh? Hey, Dad, can I borrow your IC? Take the IC, Why you want to use it? I'm going to trade for you, use my own money, I trade it for myself, and there is more money, I'm going to take you for a good meal. Okay or not? Okay, trade. Oh, finish father already. Call your friend, Ali, Abu, Akal, and then call your brother, sister. Every of your friend call. Borrow their account, get a free credit account, just trade it. Then you collect $100, $200, $300 profit, all the way to $1,000 profit. When you have collected to $1,000 profit, then can you start over from here again? Can, right? At that time, you are super skillful already. Since you are so skillful, can you proceed here? Can you reach to a higher percentage of passing profit or not? Definitely, yes. And when you have more money, can you take here to reinvest? Actually, you can have $100, you can start already, can? Then you keep reinvest, start a profit. When you have 2% profit, 3% profit, you can be more profiting. Let's say that you are profiting 5%, $500. $500 of here, you can literally go here again, recycle 5 account. 1, 5, 1 become 5, 5 become 10. You are unstoppable. You guys get what I'm saying or not? Walao eh, we can go and print money together and our hand is happy there. Okay? So what I want to say is that, right, from 0 to 100K, it's not about you can do it or not. It's about how to do it, right? Type in the chat box, it's about how to do it. So people look into trading, right, just on, oh, this free margin only law, profit, just profit only law. But did you actually get the connection between it or not? When you find a connection between it, right, I will say that financial market is just a method of bring money from one side to another side only, ma. Okay? So it's possible to carry the money along the way. But then, market is very fair. Okay, market is very fair. If you start from here, you need a bit more of effort, correct? You need a bit more effort. You need to be skillful. So that's why start from 0, you need to be skillful to trade from here, slowly to here, to here. Okay? But let's say that, yeah, I don't need to all these things lah. I got $15,000. All in. 1 year, 100,000. Okay, as simple as that. So if you have more money, you go ahead and it will be less hassle for you. If you have less money, no choice, you have to convert your energy to become money. But anyway, it is still a good thing, right? So that's what I would like to mention over here. Everything that I mentioned here is about trading plan. And trading plan that I suggested over here is that you literally need to plan out how you want to do your trading. Okay, exactly how to trade until you can retire. We suggested to go for prop firm. Capital gain in a short amount of time, and then take the profit, invest into cash flow engine. And then you repeat this cycle again and again and again until you fully financial freedom. Then you literally can do nothing, regardless disaster happen or not, you are still profiting. You are still earning money. And in order to craft all these things, right, this may not suitable, and I don't know that what is your starting point as well. So to know your exact starting point, we need to know what is your income and what is your expenses and what is the capital that you are ready to invest. In a way, by knowing all these number, we can roughly know that should you start from 0 capital or you can start straight directly to the profit. What is the stage that you are having right now? And what is the thing that you would like to achieve in the future? Let's say that you would like to trading. Some people that I would like to trade to get a house. Then what is a new plan? If you want to trade to buy fixed deposit, also can. But if you want to trade just to have big amount of cash to save in a bank, also that will be another plan. So essentially, this is just a draft. But what I would like to emphasize here is that trading plan is to clearly lay out what to do with trading to achieve your financial freedom. All right. So if you can understand what I'm saying here, right, type an FF into the chat box. All right, type an FF into the chat box. If you can understand what I'm saying here, all right. Now, So that itself is problem. Okay. And I truly believe that everyone in the world deserves a chance to succeed, at least to make some money in our life. And there are so many opportunities in the trading in the world as well. And all we need to do is just to link up all of the trading plan, all of the opportunity in the financial market to create our first bucket of gold. How many of you agree with this? We just need to plan well, connect dot and dot to create our first basket of gold. So actually, I think that that's all the session for today. But how many of you guys are really interested to know how you yourself can make 100,000 in the next 12 months with zero starting capital? Now, if you don't want to know, is okay, then we can conclude for the session. If you want to know, can type yes, then we see that how many of you guys are interested to know about your plan. So that at least you guys interested, right? Then I continue lor. Oh. Wow, interested. Okay. So you guys want me to continue? Then I continue. Now, it's just a question. How many of you want Ethan to personalize, craft your trading plan? Type a yes into the chat box. So this thing itself is something that we have to talk together. Basically, I have to know about your trading background. What is the thing that you have done in the past? What is the thing that you're doing right now? And what is a skill that you would like to achieve in the next 12 months? Basically, why you do trading. And based on the number that you have given to me, right, then we can roughly craft that what is the right path to you, what is the right robot, what is the right thing to go in. Now, this is going to be a partnership coaching program whereby we will sit together, we execute the plan together, and then we going into the problem together in the next 12 months. And I will be personally tell you each and every single step one by one, one to one by one to reach to the target that you would like to achieve. Now, this is something that did very special for you guys, and I don't open up for public. Now, this is a continuous session with me after the session today. So if you guys are having the right mindset and we think that you are right fit to this coaching program, you can together with me go into the problem. So seriously speaking, right, how many of you would like to have more time spent with me so that you have a chance to go into the problem? Because if you feel very overwhelmed after these 3 days, I can tell you, right, it is exactly the process that I have gone through in the past 6 years of my trading. I compress everything into what you have experienced in just simulation. I hope that you can see this thing already. And I can confident to tell you that every step that you are learning about robots, about trading, is the right skill to go into the profit one. But I'm also concerned at what you are going to do after the workshop, what you will be doing better, how are you going to leverage on the skill that you are having. So you know that this is going to take out me a lot of time, and I only will coach students that is serious, have the right mindset, that would like to achieve their financial freedom in the next 12 months. Okay, so is it okay that I take extra 10 more minutes of you guys' time so that I can have a more explanation what you guys are going to be coached from my side? Okay, thank you so much. So this is what I prepared for you guys. Alpha Accelerator. Get your first $10,000, sorry, not 10,000, but $100,000 in the next 12 months with zero starting capital. And this is what I plan for you guys. Now, you guys are going to spend more time. I plan step by step what is the thing that to achieve in the next 12 months. Regardless what is the age that you're having right now, what is the plan that you are having in your head, I will help you gather as much information, resources, robot to make sure that you can become an independent trader, go to trade profit. Now, this is only for people that is serious about trading and can go all out for financial freedom. If you did your best, I'm going to do 2 times more than what you can give. This is what I can promise to you. And did you know what is the most painful experience in trading? It's not about losing money. It is about when you lose the money, you made a mistake in trading, and there's no one you can ask. There's no one that can give you a feedback. To be honest, trading is too alone. And the hardest part is we have to accept this when we do the business. So this is a coaching program. Is by having me beside you as a personal consultant, but specialized in trading. So what is inside this Alpha Accelerator is that this is going to be a 12-month program, and you're going through 3 stages together with me. The first stages is that we're going to sit down, craft your trading plan, and we plan how you can pass the problem with at least 50% of the passing rate. So they can use the robot to trade at least a 2% monthly ROI. That is a minimum that we set for ourselves. And at this stage, what you're going to get is a personalized report. What is a step-by-step to go with a problem? Second is a robot setup for the problem. Now, the robot here is not what you guys are getting, right? It's a next level robot that do full auto, but then there will be a setting. So over this stage, we will done the setting for you guys. Since you already know how to do trading, we just on top of it, add one more layer. Let the robot automatically trade for you guys. And number 3, this is one-on-one coaching. You can have a call with me face-to-face on Zoom, so that if you have any questions, don't understand, you can always come to me. You can book my time, and then I'm going to help you recalibrate your trading journey, solve any trading problem that you are having. Now, I'm not going to leave until fully explain everything, until you're fully clear on what to do next and how to pass problem with full confidence. You can have a call with me once per month, twice per month, doesn't matter. It's up to you how fast that you want to pass the problem. After that, you have done all the preparations. Then month number 4, we are going to put everything into practice, whereby there is a time for you to do trading with a problem. Over here, we have a KPI to examine that whenever that you are ready for problem or not. For example, I will examine that when you trade, can you achieve at least 70% of win rate or not? From my experience, I would say 90% of my students can achieve this target easily. And over here, we're going to set up a VPS for you, set up the robot for you as well, that ready for problem later. And over here, if there is any things that we found is interesting, especially when you do manual trading, right? In a simulation, we found that stage 1, 2, 3, keep on winning. We will tell you how to customize this thing, make it into a semi-auto trading, so that in the live market, you can trade with at least 70% of the win rate as well. And also on top of that, I'm going to do monthly group coaching to show you what is the latest market condition, what are the direction to focus, buy more or sell more. And at the same time, over here, you can make the people that's striving as hard as you to achieve 100,000 in the next 12 months. We learn together, pass problem together. And in the month 5 to 12, that is a period of time you go into the problem. After all this preparation, we're going to start the problem account with a small capital first, and around $10,000. After you have passed this $10,000 account, you slowly scale up 10,000, 20,000, all the way to become 100,000 account, which is going to happen around month 10 and 12. After that, once you have achieved 100,000 account, you continue to profit from there, and around month 12, you should able to achieve your 100,000 profit already. At this stage, you're going to have a trading wheel robot as well. The one that you guys are getting is a 1-month free trial, but over here, we will give you a lifetime support on any robot, so that we will make sure that you are keep on improving, have the robot that cater to the latest market. And we are also going to follow up with your progress to make sure that when you go into the problem, it's all the right status. If you need us to check, we can check for you as well. Now, number 3 is more on psychology part, how you can trade without any fear. And this is a 12-month program. But then what will happen after 12-month program is that we will notice that you are a very skillful and experienced trader already. And you have already earned your first 100,000 profit from problem. And what you need to do next is just that maintain your account, keep trading until you reach to your financial freedom target. Of course, I will keep supporting you from a private WhatsApp message. From time to time, I will invite you to our community, which is in a workshop like this, you trade together with all of the students. So over here, I believe that all students want to be as successful as you as well. And the message that you're sharing during the simulation, during the breakout room, I believe can help a lot of people. How much time is needed per day? I'm going to talk about it in a moment. But as you can see, right, the time taken on my side is even more. Okay, I have to plan out along the way, carry out the resources for you guys. So there is an interview process with me or my advisor so that we can have a 20 to 30 minute talks what you would like to achieve in the next 12 months so that we can know, are you serious about this or not? Now, probably some of you guys are thinking about the fee structures, but I want you guys to ignore that for a moment. Later, the interview link is for everyone to fill it up. Now, for now, I just want you guys to focus on what you're going to get in the Alpha Accelerator and what is going to be something that you can expect throughout the journey, right? If it's all good, type a good in the chat box first. So now to show you guys, this is the certificate that I'm having with FTMO. Now, for now, we are focusing more on my Forex fund. We also have a certificate as well. So here are a testimonial that to share with you guys. But I think that just share more result for you guys, right? So this is the student result, pass profit within 30 days, 20 days, pass result, certificate, result, and then profit. All right. So these are all the live account that we are having. Now this is a live account. What they are saying here, 100,000 profit live account. Okay, this is also another live account, and a live account, 100,000, another live account as well. Now, talk about time, right? I think that I have prepared a testimonial to share with you guys. This is Cha. So let's listen to Cha, the process that he had gone through in the profit journey. Let me know that if you guys can hear the video.
Investments. I'm a beginner and have not much. Hi, my name is Chia. I recently graduated and are looking to earn a side income from investments. I'm a beginner and have not much experience trading and investing. During uni time, I have less time to trade and I have to spend more and more time to do my research and homework. At one point of time, I feel like giving up in trading, and this is when I come across Ethan robot trading course and I decided to give his mentorship program a try. Initially, I was skeptical on whether robot trading will work for my particular scenario, especially when I lack experience in making well-informed investment decisions. I appreciate Ethan take his time to guide me and open my mind to the possibility of making a side income from trading, even with small capital. The best part is I do not need to constantly monitor the chart. Ethan helped me to craft a trading plan and taught me on how to use robot for trading and how to leverage on prop firm capital. With his guidance, I'm able to pass prop firm phase 1 and phase 2 challenge just under 25 days and get 10,000 US dollar in funding from my Forex fund after joining his mentorship program for just 3 months. I'm glad that I finally being able to stop my losing streak in trading and make a side income that will over time improve my finance. I would highly recommend others to join Eastern Platinum coaching program because it will help reduce your learning curve on robot trading significantly, and most importantly, you will be able to save lots of your time by using robot to trade on your behalf. Personally, I just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day to monitor my portfolio. I'm quite relieved that Ethan and his team helped me to fine-tune the robot to trade under all market conditions. I'm happy that I can now have more free time to do my things and spend more time with my family. Thank you, Ethan.
Okay, so yeah, that is Cha. See, he is actually one of the youngest student among everyone, and when he come to me, right, he said that I would like to trade, and I asked how you trade. I use credit card, lor. Oh no, cannot. Okay, never go into loan to do trading. But then when we talk about this, okay, so the plan that he want to go is about 10,000. That is a roughly starting point, and he able to pass the problem within 25 days. And what he said, he just need about 10 to 15 minutes a day just to monitor. Most of the thing is able to handle by the robot, and we do have our technology team to handle all of sort of like the robots upgrade, setup, everything for you guys, so that it can save you a lot of time. And again, don't trade alone. Have Ethan as a personal consultant, as your trading consultation. So this coaching program is to help you guys. So there's an interview process, and this interview process is for you guys to get in and for me to understand you better. Now, interview process is going to discuss with my trusted advisor what are the things that you would like to achieve in the next 12 months. So the process is about 20 to 30 minute time, and the question that we're going to ask is number one, what is your trading plan in the next 12 months and what is your goal that you would like to achieve? Number two, what is your biggest challenges that you face in trading and you would like to solve it? And number three, why do you think that you should be accepted into the coaching program? And number four, other question that we're going to ask on spot by understand you better. So now, after going to interview, right, and then we're going to think that if you are the right fit to this program or not. If you are the right fit, we will welcome you on board. And the interview process is about 20 to 30 minutes. And everyone is required to fill out the form over here, which my team has been sending it into the chat box. All right. Now, can anyone of you guys check that if the link is workable or not? All right. www.joinalphaaccelerator.com. Right. If it's workable, can you guys type a yes into the chat box? Just a double check. Yes. Thank you so much. So please, everyone, go into that link right now and fill out the form. Now, one thing that I would like to emphasize here is that during the interview process, just be yourself. Just be yourself. If you come in and tell my advisor that actually, I have no idea about trading, I'm very beginner on it, but I want to closely work with Ethan to achieve financial freedom by master robot trading. It is all right. It is all right to be beginner. It's all right to be yourself, right? So over here, now when you come to the form, it looks something like this. And everyone, please go ahead and fill it out. Now, while you guys are filling out, if you guys have any question, you can pour in the chat box. And Brian, you can't click. Maybe you can contact my team and get it from the WhatsApp. Maybe WhatsApp site will be better. All right. Now, no need to overthink so much, all right? Just go in and fill it out the form first so that we can have a personalized talks. And it's just between you and my advisor. We want to understand you better. We want to understand your background better, understand that why you want to choose trading. And to be clear, this form is for everyone to fill out. All right. Now, regarding to the fees, we will talk more about it tomorrow. We are a little bit running out of time. Okay. But just to summarize here, right? When will be the interview? Okay, so it's like this. What you're going to get after this link is that after you fill it out, you're going to receive a WhatsApp message from my team. Now, my team maybe come from Malaysia, maybe come from Singapore, maybe come from China. Okay, my team is worldwide right now. So my team will have a schedule with you in the WhatsApp. So when my team message you in the WhatsApp, please reply to them. Okay, set a time schedule in the WhatsApp. And when you set the date, make sure that you are punctual and get into the interview. All right. Now, just for your information, I have spent over 1.3 million in the R&D for the robot tradings, for the robot setup, for the robot setting, for the programming, everything. And we have tried all possible strategy that you can ever think of in the market. And we even kneel down further to know that what are the strategy that is right fit, workable for the problem. And to prove it to you guys, I even give you the robot, prove it that it is working. If it's making profit, it is what it should be. All right. So if you're making any profit from the trading, all right, please share with my team, or you can even share in the Telegram group, because when we see your profit, it makes our day more happier as well. And also, we have invested more than 250,000, in fact, more than this. And we take my profit that I got from Profirm, invest into all the trader that in the VIP. All right, those master trader in the VIP package that you get at $2,000 funding, right? In case that you haven't realized, that VIP package is a mini version of the Profirm. You are experiencing the Profirm journey already. And we will talk more about that in tomorrow's session, but literally, right now, are you trading at zero capital or not? Right. There is no deposit from your side, but the best part is that profit is yours. I cover the loss. And why am I so dare to do such a crazy thing for you guys, to give you the money to trade? Because I know this will work. And I'm confident that me and my team are doing the right thing for you guys. Seriously, to be honest, guys, how many of you agree that probably I am the only one that do so damn crazy thing to give you guys all this benefit? If I just want to sell the software, I don't even need to have a workshop to do all this teaching, no need to give funding as well. But I want you guys to know that everything that I am doing here is to help more traders to become profitable. And if you guys can see the value, right, type in the value into the chat box. Right, literally, I want to help more traders to become profitable. Some problem require minimum 8% target. Realize that already. Great. All right. So yes, definitely, some of the problem is much easier to pass. So that's why we all, I am good in that kind of thing lah. Right. I'm good in turning here and there. So please fill out the form, all right? And good news. Okay, please fill out the form. Now, for those that who haven't filled out, if you have any, okay, so like this, I think that some of you guys PM me. You said that you guys cannot click into the link, right? Okay, later we will send the link into your WhatsApp, and you guys can fill it from your WhatsApp as well. All right. Now, to be emphasized again, this form is everyone to fill it in, and it's a very personalized talk. It's just a 20 to 30-minute talk. Okay, if you get into the call and we just want to understand you better, if you found that you don't like the conversations, right, you feel uncomfortable, you can leave the room. The call is on your side. All right. Now, tomorrow we're going to learn how to maximize your profit and save time with a prop firm trading using robots. All right. So I saw that you guys are very excited about prop firm, but with this said, thank you so much. And tomorrow, let's go all out for the prop firm. Thank you, everyone. And bye for now. All right. Thank you so much to stay until now. Bye for now. Bye for now. And if you guys have any questions, you can ask right now. I will be here for a few more minutes. All right. Robson, hang on. All right. Bye for now.